Hey, welcome back. Thought I'd make some Caldo Gallego today. Now there's some variations on this, and I'm going to make a few substitutions, primarily because of, well, need. Today, we'll start off with just sweating some onions. And mind you, this is about 5-6 hours before service because, well, as I've said a few times, cooking beans in Colorado at 6,800 feet above sea level takes forever. So these beans I've soaked overnight. And we're going to get those into our slow cooker after we, get the veggies going. Again, I've got Great Northerns. I've heard people saying cannellinis, those are great, stuff like that, but I went with Great Northern simply because that's what we had. I got a ham hock. You could use bacon to render that off first and then throw that in. And I'm going to start off with 2 quarts of chicken stock. And we're going to get that warming up while the onions and, well, I got to get the garlic in there yet. Oh, forgot a couple things. 2 bay leaves. There they are. Well, it's been 5 hours. The beans are almost done. So we're going to get in our proteins. I've got chorizo. If you want Spanish style chorizo, not Mexican chorizo. Mexican chorizo will just kind of dissolve in there since it's more of a fresh sausage. I also got some ham. Primarily because I like ham. And ham is great in this. So we're going to pull this ham hock out, but we're not going to toss that. We're going to pull the meat off of that, and, well, you'll see. So, more of the starchy vegetables. We got a turnip. Don't get turned off of this. It turns out really, really nice in this. I've also got a couple of Yukon Gold potatoes. One's huge, the other one average size. So you know, however many you want. I didn't show it, but I added some more water into the slow cooker just to cover the potatoes and the turnips. Now we're gonna bloom some saffron. Saffron, purely optional. I just like it. And of course, now we're gonna start stripping what little meat there is on these ham hocks. You're gonna want them out because that's pretty tasty. Now we're gonna season the soup with a little bit of paprika. If you've got smoked, great. You could also substitute, I use it all the time, the ancho powder that I make myself. And we're gonna get the scraps from the ham hock in there and that saffron. Another optional thing you could throw in there, a little red pepper flake if you want a little spicier. Let that go until the potatoes and the turnips are done. The turnips are going to cook a little bit faster, but definitely wait until those potatoes are done. Now, the other key ingredient to Caldo Gallego is greens. Now, typically you're going to get turnip greens, which come with turnips, but, well, my turnips didn't come with greens, so I had to substitute in. Other substitutes, collard greens, kale. I've got chard. So we're close to being done here. Once that the greens have cooked nicely through, your soup is ready. Now let's serve this up. There you have it, Caldo Gallego. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends. I'll see you next week.